Hello everyone. In national income, as you know, the meaning of GDP, gross domestic product. Now we will learn about nominal GDP and real GDP. Firstly, we will talk about the nominal GDP. Nominal GDP means GDP at current prices. जब हम जीडीपी की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो जो मार्केट में करंट प्राइस पे जो चीज़ें हैं वो चीज़ों का करंट प्राइस चल रहा होता है, तो उन प्राइसेस से जब कैलकुलेशन करते हैं उसे नॉमिनल जीडीपी कहते हैं. नॉमिनल जीडीपी इज़ द मार्केट वैल्यू ऑफ द फाइनल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज produced within the domestic territory of the country in an accounting year, and it is estimated on current prices. करंट प्राइजेस जो उस साल मार्केट में चीज़ों के प्राइजेस के लिए प्रिवेल करते हैं, चीज़ों के प्राइजेस जो हैं वो प्रिवेल करते हैं मार्केट में. देन व्हाट इज़ द फार्मूला? दैट फार्मूला ऑफ नॉमिनल जीडीपी इज़ Q multiplied by P. Q here is the quantity of final goods and services produced during an accounting year, and price means price prevailing during the accounting year. उस टाइम पे जो मार्केट में प्राइजेस हैं जो प्रिवेल कर रहे थे वो. Now understand the very important point here. We are having formula Q multiplied by P. Now this is general thing that nominal GDP will be increased with increase in either Q means quantity of goods and services or P means price of goods and services. Now see, if nominal GDP increased due to increase in Q, अगर नॉमिनल जीडीपी जो है वो इंक्रीज होती है क्वांटिटी के बढ़ने से, दैट मीन्स इंक्रीज इन आउटपुट. हेयर प्राइसेस कांस्टेंट, प्राइसेस में तो कोई चेंज नहीं हुआ, सिर्फ आउटपुट में चेंज हुआ है. ओके, देन अनदर केस, इफ नॉमिनल जीडीपी इंक्रीज्ड ड्यू टू इंक्रीज इन पी, दैट मीन्स प्राइस, यहाँ पे अब क्वांटिटी नहीं बढ़ी, क्वांटिटी इज कांस्टेंट, आउटपुट इज कांस्टेंट. देन व्हाट दैट मीन्स, नॉमिनल जीडीपी इज इंक्रीज्ड ड्यू टू प्राइस ओनली. अगर प्राइस से नॉमिनल जीडीपी जो है वो बढ़ती है, दिस इंक्रीज इज मॉनेटरी ओनली. देयर इज नो एनी इंक्रीज इन आउटपुट. गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज आर नॉट इंक्रीज्ड. monetary increase that shows the general price level. Fine, that is increase in general price level. It doesn't increase the flow of goods and services in the market. Now real GDP. Real GDP is GDP at constant prices. It is the value of goods and services which is estimated on the prices of base year. Base year is assumed year. We can take any normal year as base year. Base year is a year of comparison. Real GDP is calculated by the formula Q multiplied by P. Whole formula is same as nominal GDP, only difference is of price. P. Price is of base year's price. फाइन, यहाँ पे Q जो है क्वांटिटी ऑफ फाइनल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज प्रोड्यूस्ड ड्यूरिंग एन अकाउंटिंग ईयर, एंड P प्राइजेस प्रिवेलिंग ड्यूरिंग द बेस ईयर. जिस साल को हम बेस ईयर मान रहे हैं उस साल पे जो भी चीज़ों के प्राइजेस होंगे उनसे क्वांटिटी को, उससे आउटपुट को मल्टीप्लाई जो है वो किया जाएगा. इन द रियल GDP increased due to increase in Q. P is constant here. Price change नहीं होता. In real GDP, whenever there is an increase in GDP, that means increase in output, flow of goods and services. Real GDP is indicator of growth and high real GDP means greater availability of goods and services in an economy. Fine. Now have an example. What is the importance of real and nominal GDP? See the first table. It shows estimation of nominal GDP. Table 2 shows estimation of real GDP. See first table, how to calculate nominal GDP. 2 sessions are given, 2011-12 and 2017-18. Assumption is made that economy produces wheat, cloth and sugar, 3 products, and output remains constant. These are the assumptions of first table. In the year 2011-12, three commodities are produced: wheat 20 ton, cloth 100 meters, and sugar is 5 ton. Price is given. For wheat it is 100. 20 tons multiplied by 100 is equal to 2000. That is GDP. 2000 is GDP of wheat. Wheat इतना produce हुआ. Cloth is 100 meters and multiplied by 5 per meter, then it would be 500. That will be included in GDP. Sugar is 5 tons multiplied by 500 per ton. That is 2500. Then total market value of goods and services produced in the economy, matlab GDP, is 5000. Now in the year 2017 and 18, same commodities like wheat, cloth and sugar are produced. Same commodities and same quantities. क्वांटिटी चेंज नहीं हो रही है यहाँ पे, सिर्फ प्राइजेस चेंज होंगे. सेम क्वांटिटीज मीन्स 20, 100 and 5. wheat 20, cloth 100 and sugar 5. But prices are changed. wheat जो है that is 1000 per ton, तो it would be 20,000. Cloth is 100 meter multiplied by 20 per meter means 2000, and sugar 5 ton multiplied by 1600, that would be 8000, and total would be 22 plus 8, 30,000. Total market value is 30,000. Now listen carefully that commodities are same, quantity is same, only difference is of price, and GDP differs. It increases 5,000 to 30,000. Fine. This is nominal GDP. That is because of price only, not of output. Now come to the second table. In the second table, that three commodities are there, session are saying, like 2011 and 12, wheat, sugar and cloth. Quantity same, 20, 100 and 5. GDP at market prices, 2000 from wheat, 500 from cloth, and sugar from sugar 2500, that is 5000. But this time जो है हम प्राइस चेंज नहीं करेंगे. प्राइस इज नॉट चेंज्ड, क्वांटिटी इज चेंज्ड. In 2017 and 18, quantity of wheat is 30 ton, cloth 200 meters and sugar 10. Fine, that is different from the old commodities. Wheat जो है that is 30 ton multiplied by 100, that is equal to 3000. Cloth 200 meters multiplied by 5, that is 1000, and sugar 10 ton multiplied by 500, that is 5000. If we total all the 3000, 1000 and 5000, then total market value would be 9000. This is the real GDP. This is real GDP because GDP increased due to the output, not because of the prices. Table 2 shows that real GDP rises only when output rises, and table 1 shows that nominal GDP rises from 5000 to 30,000 crore. Here output is not changed, only monetary increases there. This is the difference between real and nominal GDP. True indicator of the growth is real GDP, not the nominal GDP, because the growth of the country is calculated or assumed only when output is also increased. But here, if output is not increased, monetary value is increasing only, then it means this is a fictitious value of growth. Actual growth is shown by the real GDP. Okay, then see, the index of real GDP always reflect a change in the level of output, while the index of nominal GDP may or may not, ये शो कर सकता है और नहीं भी, which is why the real GDP is considered as a better index of economic growth than the nominal GDP. Now the conversion of nominal GDP into real GDP. Now see how can we convert nominal GDP into real GDP. Nominal GDP is converted by a formula. Real GDP, just see, real GDP, it is also known as GDP at constant prices, and nominal GDP, it is also known as GDP at current prices. Remember this thing. Real GDP means GDP at constant prices. Nominal GDP means GDP at current prices. Now real GDP is equal to GDP at constant prices over price index multiplied by 100. We can apply this formula in illustration. See the illustration. If in 2011 GDP is 100 crore and in 2018 it is 200 crore at the current prices, fine, and if price index rises from 100 to 400 within the same period, then GDP at current prices is converted into real GDP. हाउ, वो कह रहे हैं कि 2011 में जीडीपी है 100 करोड़ एंड 2018 में जीडीपी है 200 करोड़ एट करंट प्राइसेस, मींस नॉमिनल जीडीपी. और अगर प्राइस इंडेक्स 100 से इंक्रीज होके 400 हो जाए तो जीडीपी एट करंट प्राइस, उसका क्या मतलब होएगा? दैट मीन्स नॉमिनल जीडीपी उसको रियल जीडीपी में कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है. Now see the conversion. 2018 year में nominal GDP is 200 and price index is 400. Then real GDP or GDP at constant prices, that would be 200 multiplied by 100 divided by 400. इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 200, जैसे मैंने अभी फॉर्मूला डिस्कस किया, 200 डिवाइडेड बाय 400 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. देन वी विल गेट द सेम 50 एज रियल जीडीपी. अब नोट करिए कि रियल जीडीपी 2018 का है 50, नॉमिनल जीडीपी है 200 जो दुगना है. 2011 में जीडीपी है 100 करोड़ जो 2018 में 50 हो गया. ठीक है, इसकी वजह प्राइस इंडेक्स भी है क्योंकि प्राइस इंडेक्स इंक्रीज हुआ फ्रॉम 100 टू 400. अगर हमें रियल जीडीपी और प्राइस इंडेक्स गिवन हो तो हम नॉमिनल जीडीपी भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. फॉर्मूला फॉर द नॉमिनल जीडीपी इज रियल जीडीपी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय प्राइस इंडेक्स ओवर 100. If real GDP is 240, price index is 120, then nominal GDP would be 240 multiplied by 120 divided by 100, that is 288. 288 is the value of nominal GDP.